Hi everyone! Recently we've bought a small kitchen for our kids, Tays and Denis, and today we'll experiment. We'll cook something delicious, for example an omelet. The kitchen is fully equipped and it even has a phone, a huge phone. Tays will call Denis and ask him to buy some food in the supermarket. Hello Denis. Denis is reading a book. Tays explains what is necessary to do, what food to buy, and Denis agrees. She explains the details, and Denis goes directly to the supermarket. There, he chooses what is necessary, and the seller gently helps him to put everything in the packet. He pays money for that, and she gives him a coin as a change. When he returns home, he puts everything on the shelf. Tays starts preparing the omelette. She breaks 3 eggs and puts the eggshells in the dustbin. Then she adds some milk, turns on the gas stove, mixes everything and covers the pan for some time. So look at that, our omelette is ready. Denis is already impatient waiting when Tays brings him all the food. A long-expected moment happens and he starts eating. After that, Tays makes some tea, puts cups, spoons and tea, and returns to him. They drink tea, eat cookies and fruits, and enjoy time together. If you liked watching the video, please subscribe to our channel and mark us with your likes. Thank you.